How to create USA YouTube channel step by step. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create USA YouTube channel. So first of all, what you need to do, guys, you just need to simply go to Gmail. Okay, after going to Gmail, this type of interface will be pop up. Simply click on the profile icon on the top right corner, and then after this just click on it, and then here you will get one option that is add another account. So simply you need to click on add another account, and then here click on Google. So let me just explain you. First you need to create a Gmail. So after creating a Gmail, you will be able to create a new USA YouTube channel. So guys, here let me just create it. Just click on create account on the bottom. You can see, just click on create account. Go for my personal use. Here you can see the first name. You can give any kind of name, whatever you would like to. So let me just give Mango USA. Okay, and then click on next option, and then here you just need to select your birthday. Okay, let me just select my birthday randomly, and then here click on the gender, and then you can select it. Click on next option, and here you can see you'll get this option. This you can select any of the option. So I will just select for USA Mango this one. Click on next option, and you have to create your own password. After creating the password, you have to click on next. Let me just hold. Okay, I have just successfully created a password. Click on next option, and then here you can see my Gmail Google account has been created. So guys, this is the first way you need to do. This is the first thing you have to do. And then here let me just show you how you can create a USA YouTube channel. So now here what you need to do is that you just need to go to Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, click on YouTube, or you can just search the YouTube app. Okay, sorry, just search for youtube.com. youtube.com, and then it will redirect you to this page here. Now here you can see, you will get to see this type of option. Here you have to click on desktop site. Okay, just hold on for a few seconds. Now here on the top right corner, you can see view your channel option on the top, and then the second one is Google account, and the third one is switch account. Simply click on switch account. Now here you can see the last one. You can see let me show you. This is the channel which I am going to create right now. So just you need to click on this, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click on the top corner option. You can see, just click on it, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So here on the top, let me just show you, create a channel option. Can you see this? Simply you need to click here. Okay, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So your channel name will be Mango USA, and then handle will be this one. Okay, on the bottom you can see create channel on the bottom. Let me just show you this one. Okay, just click on the create channel option. After creating the channel, you can select a logo also. Okay, on select picture option. Here you can see your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So after some time your channel will be already created. So you can see I have successfully created a channel, and then if one thing you need to do is that you have to click on customize channel. Okay, let me just show you. Hold on. You can see customize channel here. Just you need to click on it once, and then it will redirect you to one page, and then I will show you what you need to do here. Okay, you can see return to studio and switch account. So just click on switch account, and then here what you need to do is that, let me just show you. So here on the bottom you can see the three days on the top left side. After this, just click on it, click on customization on the bottom, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. Let me just show you. On the bottom you can see the settings icon. Simply click on the settings icon, and here you can see you just need to keep this as USD, US dollar, and then you can see the second option, channel, and then here country of residence. You can see simply you need to click on it, and then here you have to select for USA. Okay, let me just hold on. United States. Okay, and then just click on save option on the bottom. You can see here, just click on this, and then your USA channel is being successfully created. Thanks for watching.